Hi everyone. So just few minutes back, the team members asked that do I have any last moment tip or any suggestion which I would like to share with my students. And to be honest, at that point I was actually wondering that what am I supposed to tell you guys? But after few moments of contemplation, I realized that now it is not the time for me or for anyone else to tell you what to read, what not to read, how to revise, or in fact, for that matter, what strategy needs to be followed in the examination hall. At this point of time, there is only one person you should listen to, and that is you. So now it's the time that you sit with yourself, talk to yourself. So sit down alone without any distractions, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and talk to yourself. Just remind yourself that what made you prepare for this examination in the very first place. What was so motivating about this examination that you decided to sacrifice everything and to come here to prepare for this examination? Did anyone force you to do that? No. It was your heart which made that choice. So, people, this is the time to trust the choice which you have made. और इस मोमेंट पर मुझे दो पंक्तियां याद आ रही हैं श्री कृष्ण के भजन की कि जब गिरते वक्त मैंने नाम लिया तेरा तो गिरने नहीं दिया तूने, थाम लिया मुझे। तो क्या चिंता है यार, थाम लेंगे वो। जस्ट सरेंडर योर सेल्फ टू द ऑलमाइटी। क्या स्ट्रेस लेना है? यू पुट इन सो मच ऑफ एफर्ट। ट्रस्ट योर एफर्ट्स, हैव फेथ इन योर स्ट्रेंथ, and you are good to go. Please remember, you don't have to be perfect. Prelims doesn't expect you to be perfect. Prelims just expect that you should be present on the day of the exam, in the examination hall, with complete calm and clarity. That's it. And trust me, no matter what is the result of this journey has already made you stronger. It has made you more resilient. And most importantly, it has made you more you. Trust us. Each one of us here in Vision IS is extremely proud of everyone out there who have put in so much of effort for this examination. From the very bottom of my heart, I really, really wish all you guys very best. So now it is the time, go outside, make yourself proud. And trust me, you have got this. So on this note, all the very best everyone. Take care.